Hey guys, today we're going to install an H8 diesel battery in this Colorado ZR2. It's going to be great. Stay tuned, watch how it goes in. Alright, first things first, we're going to loosen some of this stuff up. Come over here. This is a 10 millimeter. We're going to loosen that guy up. Just going to pull the negative. Let's get that out of the way. We're going to then take our 10 millimeter. These clips, there's one here, pop that up. We're going to loosen the positive. And then this is a 13. Go ahead and pull this. I need to get that out of the way. And that'll be for moving, extending that to get it to fit with the larger battery. Once you're at this point, let's go ahead and loosen this up. There's a little tab right here, right down the middle. Take a flathead. We're gonna pop that loose right there. Might be able to do it with your hands. Use the flathead, a little leverage right there. I'll show you closer when we get this side popped off. Same thing on this other side right here. You'll see, kind of lifts out. We've loosened that, so everything's just going to slide right off. These are the clips I'm talking about right here. You'll see from the side, kind of give them a little push with the flathead. Push it on with the flathead, give them a little pull, they'll unclip super easy for you. And then when you've loosened that, whole system slide right up. Move this out of the way. Now we got this 13 millimeter. Zip that right off. This bar flips up, comes right out. Super easy. We also have to take our 13 millimeter deep socket. Go ahead and loosen that all the way up. I'm going to try to show you guys right here what we're dealing with. There's a little rubber piece down in there. Kind of take this, turn it sideways. You can slowly work it out. This is the piece that's holding the battery in place into the clips. Pull that out, set it aside. Here it is. Little clip holds the battery in. And then you'll kind of slide this forward. That'll loosen it up. Carefully pull it out. Now we have a little comparison. This is the H8 out of the diesel. Duralast, picked it up from AutoZone. 3-year warranty, they hold on to your receipt also. Here's the old one, new one. Here's where you can get a good idea of this cable right here. This needs to be a little longer. You'll see it's plugged in right here. Pull that out. It's going to give us the extra length we need to connect it to the new battery. Alright. There's another little clip down here. Right here. When you put the new battery in, watch that clip. Careful with it. Hear that clip in? Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this piece right here, slide it back in just like this. Drops right in there. Get it started a little bit. Take a 13mm deep socket. Pop it in right there. Take your brace. Notice this end, hole on this end, pops in the same spot. Give that a little push. Alright, grab your top piece of that bracket, thread it on there, give it a little zip. It's in there nice and solid. From there, I like to go ahead and put the negative on, pull that terminal up, slide that on. Get your 10mm, hand tight, snug it up, ain't going anywhere. And pull this off. Take our little block here that we had. You're gonna open it up, slide it right back on there. Feel it clip on. Get that started. Let's go ahead and get this going over here. That extra slack we pulled from pulling that gray clip out, let's give us the room we need to get this over here. Hand tight. Take your 13. There you go. Got this guy tight. Nice and snug. And flip her down. You're good to go. And that's how you install the H8 AGM out of a diesel in your Colorado ZR2 in Bison. Right there. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Like and subscribe for future updates on how to do the winch, the fairlead, run power to your bed, as well as the Casway 53 cheapo fridge install and review. Thanks guys.